Hi guys, this is Miss Remy here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to make some rosemary and thyme oil. So the things that you will need, I'm going to use to produce the oil. It's not like I get the oil is going to come from the herbs, but I'm going to use 100% Italian organic extra virgin. Not producing oil because the herbs will not be producing oil. Because you will need some type of oil in order for you to get the flavor from the herbs. So in my case, I'm using coconut oil and olive oil. And you do not have to use the same oils that I use in this video. You can use any type of oil of your choice. Any oil that you're already using for your hair to grow your hair to make sure your hair is healthy. Avocado oil, grapeseed oil, whichever oil that you have. If you're going to try this part right here is very important. As you will see that I did not turn on the stove before placing the pan. I made sure I placed the pan on the stove first, then put all my ingredients, put all the herbs, put all the oils, then slightly turn on the stove. Because if you turn on the stove and let the pot get hot and you put the herbs, if any of you know that when you're frying rosemary and thyme, that thing pops so much so much. So I advise you to put all your things first in the pot or the pan and then slightly turn on the burner, because you will not get all the flavor out from the herbs if the fire is so high. Even after you turn on the fire, make sure you put it very low, so to let the flavor, all the flavor comes out. That's very important. And you may ask, like, when or how do I know it's ready, or when to turn off the burner? So when, it's up to you again, but I'll just let you know. So when you see it's starting to get brown, and then the herbs starting to be crispy, they'll be very crispy. So you can slightly turn off the stove, then let it cool off, and still cover it and let it cool off there. And then you can, after that, you can drain your oil. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And also follow me on my hair page. It's Cheveux Naturel Belle on Instagram. You could also follow my personal Instagram page, Pokisa. Alright? A little benefits about both rosemary and thyme. So rosemary promotes hair growth, healthy scalp. It cleanses your hair. It also boosts the immune system, muscle pain. As for thyme promotes hair growth, improves blood circulation to the scalp, prevents hair loss, rich in vitamin C, A, fiber, iron, anti-inflammatory, vision. I always have these two herbs in my house, and I always cook with them. I advise people to at least drink a teacup of both of them a week, because health-wise, it's also good. It's not only for your hair, it's also good. Blood pressure, your immune system, all the things that I have mentioned. So you don't want to use it for oil, that's fine. And if also you want to because the oil it's strong. The oil probably be too strong. You can add any type of oil that has a better smell, so you could decrease the smell of the rosemary and the thyme. And as for me, I'm not adding anything else, because once I grease my scalp with it, I will go back with some type of leave-in conditioner that smells good, so the hair doesn't smell like rosemary. So I don't walk around smelling like a whole kitchen. But anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and follow my page on Instagram, Rosemary, and my personal Instagram page, Kokisa. It will be on the screen. Thank you again for tuning in. Have a wonderful, a joyful, a peaceful, and a blessed weekend. All right, see you on the next video.